Okay, so we got this kind of busy street. We're gonna try to go through here. Let's see, I think we're gonna get stuck. But yeah, they're all going that way. So tons of people going this way. Yeah, there's this, I did another video where I was talking about, you know, the attraction to this one, because it's, everybody goes through that little crowded spot, but there's actually that as well, right? And what we're gonna do is go across and go down this street right here. And we're gonna go to the bus stop and kind of check out some of the casinos in the daytime. Watch all the tourists. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, we gotta go. So we're just coming from. Okay. So immediately to the left is a Portuguese school. So we're going to try to highlight that in a second. You can see all the black and white tiles and the Portuguese influences as well. So let's go around the corner in a moment. All those tiles like that, right? Okay, so now we're going to check out the front of the Portuguese school right here. So yeah, this is the Escola Portuguese School of Macau. Just gonna come up here real quick. I haven't really been up on these steps before. But you can kind of learn a lot. Here's like, I guess, Campania. Okay, all the different people. A lot of Chinese names. Some of the Chinese names have Portuguese, I guess for lack of better, a Western name. They have like a Western name attached to it. And sometimes it'll be Portuguese, sometimes it'll be English. I don't want to examine the names too much because I'm on a public channel, so. Okay. So just gonna walk along, very Portuguese tiles. We got our Portuguese black and white tiles on the ground as well. So we're gonna walk down further, all the way to these casinos down here. Someday these will be all relics. What the heck is that? Okay, so we're on Avenida to Infante, Henrique. And we're gonna keep on going down that way. Before we do, we can see a little bit of the casinos. Then these are little tourist things for tourists. I haven't really seen them so much during COVID at all, so now they're all back again. It's amazing some people still make a living out of them. So we're gonna check out that. It's really nice at nighttime. I don't know, during the daytime I don't think it looks as pretty, but I think if you're not too familiar with it, it'll probably look pretty good actually. All right. Pretty cool. Hello. Hello. Thank you. See you guys. So keep on walking. Kind of cool though. Taxis, lots of taxis coming in. Now we got kind of the coolest spot right here, so I'm just gonna, I think we're gonna walk around the side a little bit because this is always really crowded with people. Yeah, at nighttime that'll look amazing, of course. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Friendly people today. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, nighttime this will look spectacular. Daytime it's it's okay, but usually I think the sun is out right here, but there'll be a lot of people sitting in this space at a later time. Yes, actually it's too bad I didn't have all that all lit up right now. So okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. Somebody coming out of a taxi there. And that straight ahead is Lisboa. Just kind of capture it a little bit from the side. There we go. So at nighttime that'll look amazing, of course. There's Lisboa as well across the street. There we go. Yeah, actually this one, if I had some people in front of it, it'd be amazing. You see, like that could be a nice screenshot right there, right? People kind of coming across. If I could capture these people a little bit. Yeah, that one looks kind of cool like that. Okay, so we're gonna head over this way. Okay, got a light here. I wasn't planning to go across so quick, but I only got 25 seconds, so let me just kind of flip around. Got Lisboa. Then we have this one here too. I guess that's okay. Let's get across. We got 15 seconds. And that's our Lisboa. Casino Lisboa right there. It's kind of cool. Let's go back a little bit. You got Casino Lisboa and you got the other one too. So now you can see both a little bit. There we go, like that. Okay, so we are going to keep walking down. One of these tourist ones, so they'll take tourists and do like the cycling part. You can see casinos like that. That's actually the evening. As soon as the sun goes down, it looks really cool right in here. But actually at the moment it looks just normal. The sun drenches out all the colors basically. So we're gonna walk down this path here. And we're still, I believe we're still on our same street, but we might be going onto a slightly different one now. And then if we wanted to, we could go underneath to these casinos. If we wanted to, we could also go underneath to that spot and visit our ghost and see if it's active in the daytime. There's a spot you can feel like really strong energy, and it's in that spot over there. And I'll just kind of come out here real quick and just kind of show you how the street connects. So basically you go underground and there's Lisboa, then you go underground and then you can connect to this Wynn and MGM, Star World casinos as well. Then you have another nice big plaza. Here we go. So I guess we visited the Portuguese Escola de Portuguesa, and we visited the Grand Lisboa and Lisboa, and then we'll kind of end in that spot, and then all those casinos are down that way, and there's a waterfront down that way. And right here they're building something called Yoho Treasure Island, and I think that's going to be realized pretty soon as well, and I think that's going to be a mall. So that'll be kind of the first big mall in Macau side. So that'll be right over there. Anyways, that's ours for today, for this one. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.